मिनिटात पोहोचतो.
मी पण बिल्डिंगच्या खालीच आहे. मी पण 2 मिनिटात पोहोचतो, 5 मिनिटात. तू भरून ठेव, मी आलोच.
Oh hey everybody, it's your good buddy Sid here in this beautiful early morning. I am going to Royal Enfield 2021 one ride organized by SR Motors Ulhasnagar showroom. My good buddy Pratik is waiting for me. With him, I last time went to Igatpuri in our biker syndicate group, but the sky looks amazing today and I hope it doesn't rain.
काय बोला?
नाईस टू मीट यू.
अरे सेम हियर. मला पण झोपायला टाइम मिळाला याला.
We have reached the place and I can see some bikers already here. Only half group arrived, so more people joining, but see the lineup so far. My Classic 500, this Supernova Meteor 350 belongs to my good buddy Swapnil, Thunderbird 350, Himalayan, a nice looking Interceptor 650 and 5 more Meteor 350s. Many bikers came with the Meteor 350 and that thing tells how successful Meteor become already. That's my good buddy Pratik, just fuel up his Interceptor 650.
बेस्ट पोझिशन शोधलीस.
We are gear up and ready to start the ride. Okay, the convoy of official One Ride 2021 is started. This ride is organized by SR Motors Ulhasnagar. We are so lucky with weather today. You know, after huge rainfall last week, we don't want to stuck inside the rain. Me and my good buddy Pratik want to be on tail, so I am letting other riders pass, so then I can record entire convoy. Wonderful open roads, so we are cruising safely.
तू जेव्हा गाडी स्लो करतो ना ब्रेकरवर,
हा तेव्हा तिथे
ती जी व्हिसेल येते ना, कारण की आवाज पण कमी होतो ना गाडीचा, असं वी 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 मजा येते ऐकायला. असा टर्बोचा कसा साऊंड असतो तसा साऊंड येतो. Me and my good buddy Pratik just finished our breakfast here. All the rest of the guys you can see.
Couple of big Harley Davidson CVO Limited just arrived for breakfast. My friend Pratik gonna fly this drone, so you can check his channel Explorer Pranal. You will definitely like it. And now you can spot us. That's a good one. I told you that we make fantastic content here. We had good 1 hour long break for breakfast and drone shots, and we are moving forwards. But look at this beautiful scene here. Countryside roads are my favorites.
just got one halt. Some riders were missed the route, so that's why we are waiting for them. And my other friends are chatting with each other. Interceptor issues. We are going to continue our ride.
We are slowly entering into Khopoli, and these streets are busy as always. Cop wanted to take photo of my bike, but it was unsuccessful attempt. Some riders don't want to wait for others, so we continue. We are going to exchange our motorcycles. I am riding Interceptor 650, but this whistle sound is simply awesome. When road opens up, this bike riding more smoothly. Waiting for some riders who left behind.
I just have ridden my friend's Pranal's Interceptor 650. This is amazing motorcycle. The whistle sound it produces is simply out of this world, and it gives little Triumph kind of feeling. It's a parallel twin 650cc, very high torque and linear power acceleration compared to my 500. The torque is not as punchy as classic 500, but very enjoyable motorcycle to ride, especially with this riser handles and everything. It's quite noisy out here, but it has been a crazy motorcycle. So I'm going to ride for next 5 kilometers to Lowergarh Fort. So let's see.
Pratik is enjoying my bike. He's having king of a road feeling because it is so torquey, and the mods I have done with that bike, especially with the handle and all, are best thing about that motorcycle to enjoy. Beautiful roads of countryside and riding 650cc bike with some cool riders. This is the highlight of this trip for me. I think I don't have to bore you with talking on this beautiful Indian incredible countrysides, so I need to be shut for a while. This accelerates way better than I expected. I hope you are enjoying this footage. From here this cliff goes steeper, no problem for any of our motorcycles. not gonna get this feeling. You have to come close to nature and close to countryside to enjoy. Next week I am going to Malches Ghat and Shivneri Fort with my wife, and in couple of days I am dropping my Yamaha R15 to my good buddy Nitish at Pune. So lot of trips are on the way. We have reached Lohagarh Fort and moving towards a separate parking booked for us. What a nice place to park these motorcycles. It's time to get a last lunch break and then gonna go back to home. We are waiting for signal to go forward. The place we are getting lunch is towards Pune for 2 kilometers. So after lunch we are going back towards home. Rain finally caught us, but we have no problem with that as we know that rain is in this area only. We had great lunch and a much needed halt, so we have to cross Lonavala as quick as possible to avoid rain. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you are currently a subscriber, make sure to tap that bell and you will get notified when new content is uploaded. Motovlogger Seed YouTube channel is all about premium motorcycle content and occasional road content. Stay tuned.